The Cove by Dick Allen. Something was out there on the lake, just barely visible in the dark. I knelt and stared, trying to make it out, trying to mark its position relative to mine. And the picturesque willow, the moon-silver diving board on the opposite shore. I listened hard, but heard no sound from it, although I cupped one ear as I knelt in the cove, wondering how far I should take this, if I should seek someone to row out there with me. Yet it didn't move, or grow darker, or lighter. Most shapes, you know what they are. A rock garden serpent, a house in the mist, a man's head, an evening star, but not this one. Whatever was out there kept changing from large to small. The mass of a wooden coffin surfaced, then the head of an owl, a tree limb, a window, a veil. I couldn't resolve it. I ran one hand through my hair as I stood up, shrugging. I had just turned 50, and whatever it was that might be floating there, I didn't want it to be. Too much before that came unbidden into my life, I'd let take me over. I knelt again and stared again. Something was out there just beyond the cove.